Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock Canva's newest hidden element pack that called Wholesome Kitchen Doodles pack. It's a super cute collection of hand-drawn food ingredients. First, just open your Canva and then create a designs or just choose any designs that you have. And then just tap on elements and then just search for this code and then enter. And like this, now you will see the full offset of adorable hand-drawn food illustrations like this. It's so cute, and this pack is perfect for maybe receipt cards, menu designs, healthy food infographics, cooking reels or cooking posts, and many more. Just go try it out and make your designs look extra fresh. And okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.